Hello everyone, welcome back to Modern MERN, where we simplify web development. Today we are diving into typography and utility classes. Let's get started. In Bootstrap, typography is a powerful aspect of design. It allows you to control the appearance of your text easily. Bootstrap provides a set of utility classes that you can use to style the text element without any need for custom CSS. So I opened the Bootstrap documentation, and this is the documentation for typography. Now we are going to explore our first utility class, that is text alignment. As you can see, the text alignment. To open it up, we are going to include these and copy it and paste it here. First one is text dash start. This means text align to left. Then we have text dash center. This means text align to center. Then we have text dash end. That means text align to end of the viewport, which is text align right. If I just save it, you will see the first one is left aligned, the second one is centered aligned, and the third one is right aligned. If you understand Sass, then there is a Sass utility API. If you click on it, you will find all the utilities for typography, and here under the text align section, under the values, you will see the values of start, end and center. But don't worry if you don't know Sass. We will use Sass and Bootstrap hand in hand to customize Bootstrap on huge scale. Our next utility class is text transform. So we can alter text, or we can change its case like lowercase or uppercase, or even capitalize our text with this text transform utility. We are just going to copy this and we are going to replace it. So the first one is going to be lowercase, the second one is going to be uppercase, and the third one is going to be capitalized. That means the first letter of each word will be capital. Now if I just save this file, you can see the whole text is in lowercase, uppercase and capitalize, where each letter of every word is capital. Our next utility class of typography is font size, where we can quickly change the font size with these classes. The font sizes of these classes are similar to headings, so the fs1 is equal to the h1 font size. And one more thing, that font size, font weight and line height are those utilities where when the number increases, the size decreases. So fs1 is the biggest text or font size, and fs2 is smaller than the fs1, just like headings, like h1 is the biggest heading, then h2, then h3 and so on. Similarly, fs1 is the biggest and fs6 is the smallest. You can check it with when you copy the whole code, or by clicking it here, upgrading the VS Code, something like this. Then I'm just going to save it and let me resize my screen. Now one more thing, these are similar font sizes to the headings. To prove this point, I'm going to write h1 and give it hello. Similarly, I'm going to write hello here in the paragraph. Now if I save this, you will see both font sizes are same. Next we have font weight and font style. So for that, I'm going to just copy the whole code and then I will explain it to you. So the first one is font weight. FW stands for font weight. Similarly, bold, bolder, semi-bold, medium, normal, light and lighter are the font weights. Whatever you want to use, you can use that. Similarly, FST is going to be font style, and italic will make the text italic, and normal is the by default. Now if I just save this, you can see everything clearly. So this is the bold, the bolder variant, semi-bold, medium and normal. We have light variant, lighter, italic font style, and normal. Then we have our next utility class, and that is line height. I'm going to replace this with just one paragraph so you can understand it better, and then I'm going to save it. So this is the smallest line height. If you want to see what line height this is, you're just going to open the inspect element. Here you can see line height of 1. If I write here line height of base, that I can get it from here, and if I save this, you will see line height of base is 1.5. If I change it to small and save it, then it is 1.25. Then we have one more, that is LG, the large line height, and you can see line height of 2. Also you can notice here the difference between these two line heights. Our last but not least utility class is text decoration. I'm just going to grab a paragraph and replace it here. Now I'm going to save this. As you can see, the paragraph has a text decoration underline. If I remove it, the underline, I have other options as well, like line through, and one more, that is none. But paragraphs don't have any text decoration by default. But we have an anchor link that has a text decoration. If we want to remove the text decoration, we can write a clause here and set its text decoration to none and save it. Now as you can see, there is no text decoration left. So experiment with these classes that you will find here. I will provide this link in the description. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more web development insights.